Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Agam's Tech Tricks. So in this video, we will be using our phone's fingerprint sensor to unlock our Windows 10 PC or laptop. So the fingerprint sensor which we use for unlocking our phone, we will be using it to unlock our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Currently this video is for Windows 10 operating system. It's because some laptops are already embedded with a fingerprint sensor and some laptops are not embedded. So we will be using a phone's fingerprint sensor using an app called Remote Fingerprint Unlock. So we will be installing that app and using it to unlock. When we will keep the finger on the phone, it will just unlock on our PC using your fingerprint credentials that is already enrolled in your phone. So let's get started. First, we will install this app which I told you, Remote Fingerprint Unlock. From this link, I will give you link in description box. Just click it. You can see this is made by an XDA developer, Andrew. So just scroll down and you can see download and install the right Windows fingerprint credential module. So here you can see this orange text. Just click it here to go to the link to download that. It will take you to Google Drive. So first sign in if you have not signed in, and now just you can see this finger unlock 1.2.0.zip. So here you can right click and download the file. It will take some time because Google Drive always scans for viruses. So you can see it has been downloaded, finger unlock, it is scanning. Okay, so this file has now been downloaded. Just click show in folder. You can now close Microsoft Edge or whichever browser you have. Now just extract the folder using any extractor you use for zip archives. So I suppose here I use WinRAR. So but I will here extract it. You can see it has been extracted. Now just delete the zip file. If you want to keep it, you can keep it. Open the folder and you can see this setup file 1.2.0 finger unlock. This will install the application on the PC. So now just click it and give the UAC control, it will appear. You will not be able to see it. So now you can see this fingerprint unlock module. Click next. This is the installation. It will take just many less files. So this is the firewall exception during which you can communicate between your phone and your PC to unlock your PC. Just click yes. You could see that it was creating exceptions in the firewall. Now just click finish and your installation is done. Now I will show you. You can just go to programs and features and see if it is installed or not. Here you can see fingerprint unlock module. Now it is installed. So now just close it, and now we have to set up in the phone. Now we will be doing this setup in the phone. So first open Play Store on your phone and install the app Remote Fingerprint Sensor. I will show you. Remote Fingerprint Unlock, sorry. So here is this app. We will just open it. You can see this app, just I installed it on PC. Here we will install it on phone to connect with the PC and unlock it. Just click install. It will take some time. It's just 2 MB and very small. You can see that this app is now installed. And you can see just I will click open here. So you can see this. First of all, make sure that you have installed the credentials. So just click OK and put your fingerprint sensor in it. Just tap your finger. You can see initial configuration needed. Just tap your finger on it. You can see to unlock an account must be added. That message is now gone and you can now use your account to unlock your PC. So just first lock your PC, because then only we can accept the request. You can see lock. And now if you go in the accounts menu, you can see that fingerprint unlock option has been added here. Fingerprint unlock. You can see the module is active and it always runs on startup, so you don't need to configure it again and again. So here first I will go to Remote Fingerprint Unlock. or you can just go to your normal account also, but I am going here to remote fingerprint unlock. So here go to the menu and click scan and just swipe down. You can see swipe down to start scanning. Here I will swipe down. Make sure the laptop and phone is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Then only you can access. Maybe it's 2.4G or 5G, but the network should be same. So here you can see Agam HP14S. This is my laptop's name. I will click it here. You can see add a new computer. I will just click save, because if you are not a pro user, you can only unlock with Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. If you have to unlock with many other ways, you have to buy pro version. You can see Go Pro, but we can use it for free also. Just click save. Okay. Now go to my accounts. You can see that computer name is now listed here. It will show some ads also. So here you can click the account, no accounts added, 3 dot, and add account. You can see this add account. You can see this help dialog is now appeared. Now first scan your fingerprint in order to add the account. First we will scan our fingerprint. Authentication done. Now we will add our account name, which is your username or email address of the laptop, and the password of the laptop. Make sure password is enabled, then only we can unlock it. So just type your here account name and password. Now I have inserted the username and password here. I will click save. You can see confirm the session ID. When I showed you in the laptop the fingerprint unlock, you can confirm the session ID 184728. 184728, both are the same. So if they are same, then only click proceed. Otherwise it can be connected with some other laptops also, but that doesn't, like, it connects with the same laptop only. So click proceed. You can see now account is selected. You can see Agam 7 default. From the my accounts menu, go back to the unlock menu, and you can see scan your fingerprint to unlock Agam 7 from Agam HP14S. Just keep your fingerprint here, and you can see laptop is now unlocked. And it is not necessary that you have to swipe and go to fingerprint unlock. You can see the lock screen and just keep the fingerprint here. Now it is unlocked. And if you now want a widget on the home screen, because the normal version doesn't support widgets, and we have to go to pro version. So but we can also put widgets in normal version. I have a trick. So just like if you have any other normal, according to your launcher it may be different. You can see that here I will go to remote fingerprint unlock, and you can see that unlock default. In some launchers you can drag it and bring it out on the home screen, but in my launcher I will just click add shortcut, and here you can see unlock default, but you can just drag it because some launchers support dragging also. Here I will keep it. You can see unlock default. Now lock your PC and just click this icon which we have added. Click here and you can see scan your fingerprint. This will not show any ads, and just from the home screen only you can unlock your PC. So now just you can see scan your fingerprint and PC is unlocked. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also please join my Telegram channel Agam Tech Tricks.